Hi everyone, Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending November 22nd, 2019. This is the stock MU, very popular stock, Micron. 919 was the date, that was a Thursday, happened in the morning. This is a 60-minute major resistance DSS, a 1-minute secondary sign of weakness on the entry, and management simple reward to risk about 1.5 to 1. The trade lasted a couple of hours. This is just kind of a classic, basic, simple play for me. Free stuff this week. Thursday will be the DTS market and market letter review. Everybody is invited. We will review some of the concepts in the market letter that goes out and also talk about the market both past and present. This is the daily chart of MU. Is not terribly in play or terribly critical to the situation. You can see it was a little mini kind of a retest and failure, a very mini one. But the real concept you can see better on the hourly chart. That's what it looked like after the day of the trade. 60-minute chart, very key here. A lot of critical concepts on the 60-minute chart that made this a favorite. I find these typically when I'm scanning the night before or the morning of, and then they become favorites when they're set up properly to be traded early. This one was set up properly to be traded early. It ended up gapping up into that area right in there. And boom, that's what it looked like after the day of the trade. Coming into that big resistance area was what I was interested in, especially there's three things in that chart that make it really very nice as a short that morning. The 5-minute chart, and here you can see the total play out. There's the area which it gapped to, and the entry ended up coming right inside of that 5-minute bar. You can't really see the entry concept there, but we'll see it on the next chart. And then really good target taking. Target 1 right on that bottom, just coming off the bottom. And again, that could have been the low. I didn't think it was, but that's why it takes them off the table there. And target 2, also a really nice job going right into that low. Now it ended up going lower for the day. The only fault was I probably could have had this in 3 targets rather than 2, but I chose to take it in halves. The 2 that I took I think were excellent. The third one went much lower to the end of the day, but this trade was done in 2 hours as well. There's the 1-minute chart, give you a little better glimpse into the entry right there. The entry came right there. The entry is under 50.99, and the stop 51.36. You can see the first target on there, and the second target, of course, is off the chart. If you like concepts like this, very accurate but yet somewhat laid back day trading style, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. You can visit the DTS website and click on the services page for more information. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.